Well, hello there. My name is Sometimes Heather and I make things. Last time I showed you how to knit gloves upside down, and today I thought we might look at a dress. This was on sale at H&M and I got this for €10. This is a strapless dress with a long hem and a really cute knit detail at the waist. The designer thought that this silicone strap was enough to keep this dress up, and boy were they wrong. I have a size M due to posterior dimensions, and this has a lot of extra room on top. I'm going to pair this with a mesh top I don't want to wear on its own anymore. This I got at a flea market approximately 15 years ago. Polyester never rots. I'm going to shape the dress to better fit my body and use the mesh top to cover shoulders and arms, like so. I will also add straps because I like straps. First, I cut off the silicone band and shortened the bodice just a little bit. Being a size too large, it was too long on me. I also needed to take the bodice in a bit, and that I managed by just shaping the side seams. The detail on the front worried me, but it settled nicely into place and actually complements my waist. I added the straps on first, as my spatial awareness said this would be fine. Liar. I ended up taking them off and sewing them back on again, but they did come in handy when I tried the dress on. I marked the length of the front with a safety pin and thought I would do the same on the back. But as it turns out, inserting a safety pin between your shoulder blades is actually a bit impossible. I ended up taking a chalk and drawing a smudge at the back where I wanted the dress part to sit. My markings were far from accurate, but I trusted them enough to cut the mesh top to shape. Longer at the back and shorter in the front. And then I simply pinned the edges together with right sides facing, really truly injured my brain trying to figure out where the straps should go, and sewed one seam to secure it all with my serger. I cut off the tags during this process. This thing is made with 70% viscose and the hem is heavy. The fabric is dreamy, soft and warm in the not too sweaty kind of way. I really like the way this looks on the floor, and as I put it on, it's even prettier. The hem looks so nice as it flares out, and I got the perfect fit for the bodice. The mesh top paired beautifully with the dress, but my arms do feel a bit cold as autumn arrived. But not to worry, I have the perfect thing. I got these on H&M too. They were sold as leg warmers, but they are too narrow. For arm warmers, though, they're perfect. The material is pretty close to the dress, and as they are both fashionably ribbed, I think they look real nice together. I'm really happy about this transformation, and I think the dress will get a lot of wear. I hope you enjoyed this video. Next time, I thought I might show you a haul and something cute I made. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Stay safe.